Hi, my name's Steve Walker from Promise Money. If you're looking at mortgages at the moment and thinking, what do I do? You're not alone. These are uncertain times, so I want to just share with you a few thoughts which might help you make your decisions. So rates, they're very, very unlikely to get anywhere near the previous lows that we had way back when, for a long, long time, if ever. But there is talk of rates dropping. So where does that leave you? Do you tie yourself into a fixed rate now, or do you do nothing, or do you wait? Well, that's a decision to be made on an individual basis because it depends on your circumstances. But it feels as if whatever you decide right now, you're not guaranteed to get it right, because rates could go up, they could come down, they could stay for a little bit longer. So what do you do? And when we're talking to our clients at the moment, a lot of the conversations are around, let's do something that doesn't commit you too much. It buys you time to see what's going to happen at the least cost. So what does that mean? That means looking at lenders where potentially there's no product fee, where potentially there's free legals, where potentially there's free valuations, where potentially there's no early repayment charges. And by getting that into your current deal, it does at least mean that when the market settles down and we see rates hopefully going down in the future, although they might still go up a little bit before they do that, you're in a position to be able to move to a better product without it costing you a fortune. The thing is, you see, if you're with a lender at the moment, they're not going to tell you what somebody else down the road is offering. So you could go down the product switch route, and you could just say, well, if you're coming to the end of your existing term, I'll just stick with what I've got and I'll switch onto your existing product. And that could be a strategy because it is a fairly low cost strategy to go for, but you don't know how that compares to what's being offered down the road. So the key thing here is get expert advice, really. Get expert advice, find out what's out there, and if you've got a specific requirement that you need to do something now which requires you to get into a fixed rate or whatever, that's fine. Then an advisor can look at that, but you need to talk to an advisor who looks at the whole of the market, who can look at all of the fixed and variable rates that are out there, who can look for products which have got low cost to get into or low cost to get out of, or preferably both, can look at product transfers, and potentially look at secured loans as well, because you might be in a situation where you don't want to lose your existing mortgage, but you do want to raise some more cash. Keep your existing mortgage, use a secured loan to raise some more cash. So there's lots of strategies out there. These are very, very uncertain times in terms of what the market's going to do over the next 12 months. So yeah, flexibility seems to be something that a lot of people are going for. But like I say, it does depend on your circumstances. You need to talk to somebody who can assess that and come back to you. I'm not giving you any answers here. I'm just saying that there could be solutions out there, and ask for products which aren't going to potentially tie you in, so you understand what's available. Ask for products which are going to have low cost to get into and low cost to get out of. Hope that's useful, and don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to our videos, share our videos, so that more people get to hear about it. They are uncertain times, so think carefully about what you do next and get advice. Thanks a lot.